Mommy, cha 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 cha. And guys, we're going home. So we did great at home. My school is Chinchorro School, and I don't know what's my baby school name. So yeah. And when when I was little, I just said my first word, but I didn't know what's my name. Give it to me, Mommy. Give it to me. Give it to me. I want to do it with that. Mama. Why? Yeah. He always cried when nobody gives him something. See? See? Now you're going to cry in a video. Let me tell you. So, baby, see him? He said his first word when he was a baby. He said, Mommy. And when I was a baby, I didn't remember what I was saying when I was a baby. My first word. So, I'm going to ask Mommy. What's my first word? Was it Mommy?
Mommy.
Yeah, it was Mommy because I love Mommy because I saw her beautiful face, so I had to say Mommy, but I thought I was going to say Daddy. Mommy, you're not showing our faces. You're showing our heads. Like our head is in the video. Okay, this is how you do. This is how you do it. My name is Boom 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 Boom. My name is Chicky. Clap clap cha cha cha. Chicky Chicky Chicky. Chicky Chicky Chicky. My name is Boom Boom Boom. My name is Chicky. My name is Cha Cha. Cheeky cha cha boom boom. Cheeky cha cha boom boom. Cheeky cha cha boom boom. Clap clap cha cha cha. My name is La 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 La. My name is Tricky. Tricky Tricky. My name is Boom Boom Boom. Cheeky cha cha boom boom. Cheeky cha cha boom. Cheeky cha cha boom. Clap, clap, cha, cha, cha.
Bless you.
If you happy, Mommy. If you're happy and you know, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, if your baby don't know this song, so baby and me will teach it to your baby or you're 1 year old or 0 years old. So baby and me are gonna get ready. If you're happy and you know, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know, and you really wanna show. If you're happy and you know, and subscribe and join the video. And so if you have a 1 year old or 2 years old or 3 years old or 5 years or 4 years old or 0 years old, baby and me are going to sing a song for your babies or toddlers. So now we're going to sing the song now. If you're happy and you know, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know, stomp your feet.